That's why I have to wear a jacket.
I had one bagel and now I'm just like...
Need people around you that motivate you to be better. It was such a pose when we were 8. Do we want to get coffee? But how do I wear white? I'm not putting that in.
Oh, you got it.
Why not? This lighting, guys. You guys. Hi guys. It's Monday. It's almost 11 o'clock. Just washed all my workout clothes. So I'm about to lay those to dry. How are you guys? It's Monday and I've been chit-chatting with my mom and Julia about vaccine appointments. Trying to figure that out, and also Stephanie's on her way over. So we're gonna go catch up, get some coffee. Wow, I liked this outfit so much more before I put on this jacket. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing, but let's stay up here. I just have on my jeans and my little bodysuit thing, but I have to put this on because it's, let's just, okay Google, what's the weather?
Currently in Elliott, it's 44 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be cloudy with a forecasted high of 53 and a low of 39. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 36.
That's why I have to wear a jacket. So really cute, really fun. Love that for me. It was 70 degrees the other day. Okay, also, I'm putting together a bag of stuff I'm going to donate because yesterday I went through my closet and I posted a lot of it on Poshmark, but I'm feeling like I'm probably just gonna take it all down and donate it because no one's really buying it and I just don't really have the time or bandwidth to do that. So, and then I'm just getting rid of all of these like t-shirts and stuff that like are still in fine condition. Like I wouldn't throw them away, but I also wouldn't like sell them because they have been worn a lot. And I have a bunch more upstairs, but I'm starting a pile. And then I'm also getting rid of some leggings. And I should go through my drawers at some point, but not today.
Okay, we made it. We ended up getting bagels. Stephanie's here. We got bagels and coffee.
I almost just knocked mine off.
I've never heard of tofutti. That. It's a dairy-free cream cheese. Is it good?
Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's not my favorite because I like the Trader Joe's one. But
I had one bagel and now I'm just like
obsessed.
so good. I can't wait. Stephanie got a smoothie. Oh my god, there's a carrot. I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna eat and I'm not gonna film it.
I can't even think right now.
Hi guys, I just got back from hanging out with Stephanie. I feel so inspired and just like ready to take on the world, except I'm also gonna go change and sit on my couch. But we were just talking about how it's so important to have people around you that just like motivate you and like want what's best for you and want you to like, just people that are your vibe. My hair today, guys. We were also talking about our hair and how it's so hard to not wash it every day. But what was I saying? You just like need people around you that motivate you to be better and motivate you to go after what you want and like just like are on the same wavelength as you. So if you don't have those people, they're coming, don't worry. I know how it feels to like feel like you have no one, and then you just meet great people and it's okay if they come later in life. We're also talking about that. But I'm gonna go change because this, talk about like just being myself. I get pit stains in white shirts so easily. So I need to go change, take my makeup off, and sit on the couch and edit a video because it didn't go up this week, so I need to go edit that. Okay, Google, what's the temperature?
The current temperature in Elliott is 43 degrees.
Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday now. This has been like quite a few days in my life. Sorry, I'm looking at like a cobweb. Oh my god, there was the biggest spider in our room last night. I can't think about it. Anyway, it's Tuesday. It's like 9:30. I need to quickly make breakfast and eat because I have therapy at 10. And then Julie and I are gonna go to the mall today. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Abercrombie recently that I'm returning. All of it. Nothing just fit like right. And I'm being like really picky, which is like annoying, but I don't want to keep stuff if it doesn't fit right. Like for instance, these jeans I have on don't fit right, but I kept them, so I have to like wear them because they're mine now. Anyway, they fit fine. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the mall today. It'll be fun, and then tonight we're having my parents over for dinner, so I will try to film as much as I can, but you will know how it is when I get with my friends. I forget to vlog, so I'll try to remember. Oh my god, do you remember when that was like the pose? Like this was such a pose when we were 8. Anyway, I just got out of therapy and it's 11:10. Julia should, oh shoot, I need to do the dishes. Julia should be here in 20 minutes. So apparently I'm gonna do the dishes because I forgot about that, but I'm also gonna vacuum because my parents are coming for dinner tonight and I don't want them to think I'm dirty. Even though I vacuumed the other day, but there's stuff on the floor. So yeah, I'm gonna do that just because I have a few minutes. This is my big bag of returns. I'm really sad about it all because I really liked a lot of it, so, well, I like the idea of it. The idea of me. No, you don't, Topper. You like the idea of me. You like being seen with me. Do you remember that TikTok? Anyone else? No? Yeah, I need to vacuum. Let's go. with Julia now. Wait, look at us. we got our matching outfits, our Abercrombie returns. We're the ready. Same. We're ready. Yes. We're gonna go. I need a drink of water. Hold on. We're gonna go shopping. I haven't done this in so long. I like to go somewhere to go shopping. A mall. Well, that's true. Oh my God, there's a horse. Did you just see that? No, I was driving to the bank yesterday in Kittery, and there's just like 5 horses with like kids on them outside of some house, and I was really like, only in Maine. Only in Maine would you just like have like 5 horses like chilling. Okay. Do we want to get coffee? Yeah. Okay, where? I don't care. Dunkin' or Aroma Joe's? Also this little guy? Yes. Although it like melts. Schmears, I know. I've had that little one, and then I had it like, it like crumbled or like it fell apart or something at one point, and I was like, I just feel like, but I feel like the one I have right now, high vlog. Oh my God, look at the horse. I feel like the one I have right now like doesn't keep me from sweating. Yeah. Like I've gotten pit stains the last like 3 days. Yeah. And I'm like, hi, this isn't working. Yeah. Well, I think that's the thing, because it's natural deodorant, so antiperspirant is what makes you not sweat. No, but my doctor told me not to use antiperspirant because remember it's making my armpits itchy. No, I know, so like, that's just like, you're gonna still sweat. But how do I wear white? I don't know, wear a tank top, like. Julie's like, we're on camera. Maybe you wanna go change that sweater? Like, no, this is fine because it won't like, it doesn't like touch as much, but like I wore a white long sleeve yesterday and I was like, yeah. Okay, let's go get coffee. Oh wait, where? I'll go wherever, I don't care. I haven't had Dunkin' in a long time, but also I like Aroma Joe's. I'm really down for whatever. Aroma Joe's because I have $3 off. Perfect, we love that. Wait, you wanted vanilla? Yes. Oh, okay. Hi, how are you? Hi, good, how are you? What can I get for you? Can I get a 16-ounce hazelnut iced coffee with almond milk? What size do you want? I'll do 16, yeah. And a 16-ounce vanilla iced coffee with almond milk? Anything else? That's it. Alright, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. I'll see you at the next window. Thank you. Thank you. That one's fine. Awesome, thank you. Have a good day. And that one's yours. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go get some shopping. I know. So exciting. I need like a second. Yeah. I'm so excited I found that taco place. Did you look it up? Can I do the tacos? Soft or crispy? Soft, please. Any rice and beans on them, or just going straight to beef? Can I do rice? White or brown? White, please. You got it. And then any beans or meat? Can I do the veggies? You got it. Tacos? Yeah. Can I do the pico, the corn, guac, and lettuce? Corn, guac, lettuce, you got it. We're sitting outside. This is for my mom and my mom only. Mom, this is Tuscan Village. We're in it right now, so there's like nothing built yet, but there's Chipotle, so yeah, something. It's open. Some chips, so please. Oh yes, yum. I'm trying to get my tacos open. I wish you could get like 2 because I can never eat 3. Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day. Yeah. Dinner's in the oven. Cutting up strawberries for strawberry shortcake for dessert. And yeah.
You talked about your drive today? Where you went?
Yeah, we went to the mall. My drive was not that much fun because I don't like driving anywhere at all. I don't mind driving around here, but it was the highway. And I don't think I've driven on the highway in like a long time. Like probably 2 years. Like in Mass. And it wasn't that much fun because I get really anxious. But we made it. I went to Chipotle and didn't get any clothes. Just wasn't really anything. That's about it. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. I'm really freaking tired. Yeah.
6:30, huh? Is it around 6:30?
Dessert.
7.
It's weird. During the day.
Yeah.
God, Jamie, stop. Is that you?
I wasn't me, man.
Stop.
It was Sweetie Poopy in her poopy diapers ended her last.
I'm not putting that in.
Oh, you got
Why not?
Oh.